Hey everyone! Have you ever been worried by the abundance of sophisticated, pricey tools required to create your own branded platform? It's finally time to exhale with relief. It can be difficult to manage multiple tools if you're an aspiring online instructor, a course developer, or even the leader of a skateboard community. This is where the Forento lifetime deal comes into play. It's revolutionary for both creatives and business owners. We're going to take a close look at Forento today, your one-stop shop for all platform building needs. What is Forento? Forento is the ultimate solution for entrepreneurs and creatives seeking an easy, efficient way to build and manage their own branded platforms. Perfect for launching online courses, coaching programs, pay-per-view podcasts, or unique community spaces, Forento stands out for its simplicity and time-saving features. This powerful tool bids farewell to the complexities and high costs typically associated with platform development. Forento simplifies your journey from idea to execution. It's perfect for first-timers and non-tech savvy entrepreneurs who want to focus on their passion, not on the hassle of technicalities. Exclusive Forento lifetime deal alert. Now here's the kicker. While Forento sounds like a premium, wallet-thinning service, it's available at an astonishingly affordable price. The Forento lifetime deal offers you unparalleled value. Forget monthly subscriptions. It's a one-time investment. Forento offers various plans, each tailored to different needs. Basic Plan 1. For just $39, down from $228, get limited customization, one admin account, and a 10% sales commission rate. Limited customization, logo, thumbnails, images, and colors. One admin account. 10% sales commission rate. Startup Plan 1. Priced at $78, originally $588, this plan includes 15 plus templates, an easy-to-use drag-and-drop builder, and 3 admin accounts. 15 plus templates, an easy-to-use drag-and-drop builder, free SSL certificate when designing your custom website, customer messaging, create your own community and interact with your followers and students, 3 admin accounts. Basic Plan 2. Grab it for $117, usually $684, and enjoy all features from the previous plans with a reduced 5% sales commission rate. Limited customization, logo, thumbnails, images, and colors. 1 admin account. 5% sales commission rate. Why Forento stands out? Forento isn't just another tool, it's a revolution. Here's what makes it exceptional. User-friendly? Easy setup means you start selling in minutes. Customization. Your platform, your rules. Make it uniquely yours. Community engagement. Build a platform and a family with interactive forums. Round-the-clock support. Any questions? Forento's live chat support is almost always online. Payment gateway integration. Seamlessly connect with PayPal or Stripe. Analytics and more. Track your success with detailed analytics and stats. Who benefits from Forento? Course creators. Looking to launch that dream course? Forento's got you covered. Online coaches. Elevate your coaching business with a personalized platform. Solopreneur. Build, launch, and grow your solo venture with ease. Community builders. Create a thriving space for your community, whether it's skateboarding enthusiasts or podcast fans. AppSumo's extra deal. Don't miss out. Want more? Here's something to spice things up. AppSumo throws in an additional 10% off on the Forento lifetime deal. How to claim this extra benefit? Visit the Forento lifetime deal page. Watch out for a special pop-up. Enter a valid email address and keep using it. Check your email for the additional discount. Real reviews, what users say about Forento. Let's hear it straight from the horse's mouth. Real users, real experiences? So why wait? Transform your platform building journey with Forento. Dive in, explore the features, and secure your lifetime deal before it's too late. And hey, if you found this review insightful, show some love, like share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Forento, where your dream platform comes alive. Get your lifetime deal now. And that, folks, is your ticket to hassle-free, successful platform building with Forento. All set to take this journey?